Alright, let's talk power banks. What's the best power bank for everyday use? You'd probably want something lightweight and easy to carry, but at the same time, not too small. In my opinion, 10,000 mAh power banks are just too small. After charging your phone once or twice, they are already dead. Well, this is Oraimo Traveler 22.5 PD 20,000 mAh, and surprisingly, it's lightweight while still packing a lot of power. It has fast charging, a built-in torch, and some useful extras. I've been using it for about 2 months now, but here's the real deal. Here's the real question. Has Oraimo finally fixed their power bank swelling issue, or is this one also going to get pregnant after a few months? And most importantly, is it worth your money? Let's find out. My name is Udi. I talk about tech. Let's shoot. Hi guys, so before we get into the review, one of my goals for this year is to get to 50,000 subscribers, and that can only happen with help from you guys. So if you've been watching my videos but you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. And if you're new here, welcome to Udishoots. I make tech videos and tech review videos just like this one to help you guys make the right choice. So do subscribe and also turn on your notifications so that you don't miss any new videos. Let's start with the price. The Oraimo Traveler 22.5 PD 20,000 mAh power bank will cost you 28,000 naira as of the time of recording this video. However, if you use my coupon code udishoots, you get a 5% discount. So that's UDISHOOTS. The coupon code works for any product on the Oraimo store, not just this power bank. Okay, the design. Oraimo didn't change much. It's the same plastic build, but it feels durable, which is important for something you'll be carrying around a lot. It's not scratch resistant though. As you can see, mine already has a lot of scratches after 2 months of use. It weighs around 0.4 kilograms, so it's not too heavy for a 20,000 mAh power bank. One of the standard features here is the LED torch at the top, which is actually useful. If NEPA takes light, you can use it to find your way to go and on-gen. But it also has an SOS mode that blinks when you are in distress, though I doubt many people are going to use this SOS feature. It has an LED light battery indicator, and right now 2 of those LEDs are on, so it's around 50% battery. Now let's talk about the most important part. Charging. The 22.5 watt fast charging is no joke. It uses Anifast technology, which intelligently adjusts the power output depending on the device you are charging. You get 4 ports in total, one USB-C port that supports power delivery and quick charge 3.0. It can be used to charge the power bank itself or charge other devices with a max output of 20 watts. Then there are 2 USB-A ports that support up to 22.5 watts fast charging. These are the fastest ports on the power bank. Now lastly, there's a micro USB input for charging the power bank with a max input of 18 watts. Like I mentioned, if you're using the USB-A port, you can get up to 22.5 watts fast charging, which is fast enough to juice up most phones in about 1 to 1.5 hours, depending on the model. Now, I tested it with the S21 Ultra, which has a 5,000 mAh battery, and it went from 20% to 80% in about 45 minutes, which is pretty solid. The fast charging of this power bank is the best part, because if you have a power bank, you don't want to be carrying it around with you all day. With this one, just about 15 to 20 minutes of charge is enough to get you going. Let's say you are out and your phone is at 10%. Just plug it to this power bank for about 20 minutes and boom, you're at 50%, which is more than enough to keep you going for the rest of the day. No need to carry the power bank with you all day and burden yourself. Now, battery life. 20,000 mAh sounds like a lot, but what does that actually mean in real world usage? Well, if you have an iPhone 13, you can charge it about 4 times with this power bank. A Samsung Galaxy S24 will charge about 3.5 times. And if you are using a phone with a 5,000 mAh battery, which is most phones these days, you get about 3 full charges from this power bank. For smaller devices like earbuds or a smartwatch, you can recharge them over 20 times. And this is exactly why I don't like 10,000 mAh power banks, because you've barely charged your phone twice and they're already dead. Now, what's also nice about this power bank is that you can charge multiple devices at the same time without the charging speed dropping too much. I tested it by charging a phone and an earbud together, and the speed remains pretty stable. So like I mentioned earlier, both the Type-C and the micro USB has a max input charge of 18 watts. Now, to charge up the power bank using an 18-watt charger will take approximately 5 hours, which is actually decent. Now, let's talk about a major issue with Oraimo power banks: the swelling. If you use older models of Oraimo power banks, you probably heard of or maybe even experienced the pregnant power bank problem, where the battery starts to bulge after months of use. But after using this one for 2 months, I haven't noticed any swelling or any issues. It seems like Oraimo has finally fixed that problem. That being said, the main causes of battery swelling are heat and drops. So if you get this power bank, or any power bank for that matter, remember, batteries don't like heat. Try to avoid leaving it in a car or charging it under a pillow or using it in extremely hot environments. I even heard of someone who tried to charge the power bank using the Type-C port and the micro USB port at the same time. And guess what happened? Boom, swelling. So yeah, don't do that either. Also, dropping it can cause damage to the internal battery cells and increase the risk of swelling over time. So just take care of it like a baby, and it should last a long time without any issues. So, is the Oraimo Traveler 22.5 PD 20,000 mAh power bank worth it? Honestly, for the price, it's a solid choice. You are getting fast charging, decent build, multiple ports, and a big battery, all while keeping the weight manageable. The built-in torch is a nice bonus, and the ability to charge multiple devices without major speed drops make it even more practical. Plus, it seems like Oraimo has finally addressed the power bank swelling issue, which was a major concern with their older models. As long as you take care of it, avoid excessive heat and drops. So, would I recommend this power bank? Yes, if you need a power bank that won't slow you down and keep your phone running all day, this is definitely a solid option. And if you do plan on getting this power bank, you can use the coupon code udishoots to get a 5% discount. Again, that's UDISHOOTS. Now, the coupon code works for any products on the Oraimo store. Let me know what you think of this power bank in the comments below. And have you used an Oraimo power bank before? Did it last for you very well, or did it swell up and get pregnant? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also turn on your notifications so that you don't miss any future review videos. See you guys in the next one. What are you doing here? What are you doing here? Yo, looking at me, standing here. I'm just looking at the camera and you're looking at me. I'm talking to you now. You're just here wasting your time. I'm not saying anything again. Be going. The video is over. You can't go now. You're still here. Hey, you're not serious. So it's gonna wash plate. Yeah, looking at me. Ha. Something. Hey, my God. You are still here. Hey. Let me just leave you. I will leave you here. Just bye-bye. You are still here. Oh my God. Please find work for yourself. Since you decide not to leave, I will cut the video by myself. Bye bye.